In this video, I'm showing you how we clean our brushes in between each makeover. So I like to clean my brushes naturally, and we are fortunate enough that we make soap for various companies around the world. This soap is 100% natural, cold processed soap and is scented with essential oils as opposed to fragrances and perfume. And the essential oil in this soap is tea tree oil. So I usually have leftovers of soap at the end of each run. And you can see here, the soap really takes off the makeup really well. And I just let them soak in the water, clean through, wipe off the soap, and then I rinse the brushes afterwards with some clear water, and then I'm able to let them dry naturally, and the next day they are ready for use. I also use this soap for cleaning many other things as well. It's just a wonderful cleanser. On a fun note, this is actually used as a cleansing bar for the face. The green color is from glacial clay from the BC mountains. There I'm cleaning eyeliner off the eyeliner brush. From the lipstick brush. And lastly, the foundation brush. It's all clean now, no chemicals. And there you have it, nice clean brushes. We do sell these brushes on our website. If you have any questions, please do contact us. Otherwise, stay beautiful.